Hi, I'm Dhaval Patel with Rovi Homes. We're here at 22 Broadview Lane in East Windsor. Let's go ahead and take a quick look inside. This spacious ranch features 3 beds, a huge kitchen, and a 2-car garage. Check out this primary bed with its beautiful sliding glass door that leads to a private patio. Best of all, there's a fenced-in yard with 1/3 of an acre and plenty of privacy, so it's perfect for entertaining. P.S. The home has enough parking for 10 cars. The boiler was replaced in 2021 and all the appliances are included. Thank you so much for stopping by. We look forward to seeing you at the open house, and let me know if you have any questions at the number below. Thank you.